Hello everyone, my name is Jeffrey and I am from Indonesia. I started in the NFT world in July 2021 and thankfully I have sold 200 of my one-on-one NFT artworks as for today, and there are 81 collectors of my artwork on Opensea now. But I will keep creating new artworks and get more collectors for my collection. And I have several new artworks in my collection for you to check out. You can go to my collection by following the link in the description. Most of my artwork is made using this code efficient AI software. But of course, I changed a lot of the settings and the code, and then I edited the picture with the Photoscape X and other editing software, and redraw the image with the AI and repeat the process several times. So the final result will look different than other AI generated artwork. And collecting my artwork provides collector with a number of advantages. One of the advantages is that some of my artwork is high resolution and can be downloaded. The download link can be found in the unlockable content, so you can print these images, frame them and hang them on your wall. So these are not just for your phone or your computer screen backgrounds. Another advantage is that as collector, you own all commercial and IP rights to the artwork you have collected from my collection, and I allow you to do whatever you want with all artwork that you have collected, and please enjoy the artwork. And if you have become a collector of my artwork, I promise you one thing, that is you have nothing to lose because you get good artwork at a low price. The price of my artwork ranges from 0.002 to 0.008 ETH on the Ethereum and Polygon blockchains on Opensea, so you can choose which one that you like. And thank you so much for taking the time to listen to me and watching this video. And please take a look at my collection and choose the one that you like and be one of my artwork collectors. And I also have new artworks in my collection on Foundation. You can go to my collection by following the link in the description. And everyone, my name is Jeffrey and I'm from Indonesia. Thank you very much.